Hey guys, it's me. Today I'm going to be opening this Pokemon card set because why not? Anyway, first of all, let's get this out and open it. Okay, so we got a Mew pin. Nice. So we got the Mew pin. We can keep that over here. We got this Mew promo card. Got a code card. And we got a Pokemon card packet. So let's open it. Code card. Staryu, Clefairy, Slowpoke, Pikachu, Charmander, Scyther, we got Weezing, we got an energy, a normal energy, we got LT Sorge's Strategy trainer card. I'll save that one for last. We got Sabrina's Suggestion, and we got the Pokemon Center Lady. It's the name, the Pokemon Center Lady. Not no story or anything. There. First one, Legendary Board. You failed. Second one is Shiny Mewtwo. So, Shiny Mewtwo better give me a Shiny Mewtwo. Or at least a Mewtwo card or whatever. Is it 4 to the back? Oh no, it's just... hollow. Ooh, we got some good cards in here. Start off with the worst ones to the best. So we got Ekans as our worst one. Voltorb. Misty Cerulean Gym. Koga's Trip. Grass Energy. Hollow LT Sorge's Strategy. Clefairy. Psyduck. And now for the best one. Okay, I'm only going to break. I think we use our best one. And now I'm scared. Because it's our last one. And it's a new artwork. Chop chop. Chop. I want to keep the artwork. So we got a green and white code, so that should be good. We got Pikachu. We got Clefairy. We got Jigglypuff. We got Caterpie. We got Dark Energy. We got Golem. We got Poison Energy. Or Psychic, I don't know. Psychic maybe Poison. Koga's Trip. LT Sorge's Strategy. And Chansey. That was all. I'm gonna... There's more cards over here. That was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe or whatever.